Let's look at the Comparison tab. This is where you can compare different projects like your brand versus competitors, or different time periods within the same project.
In Project Comparison, you'll see key indicators and charts that show how your brand performs against competitors. Want to know which trending topic is getting the most attention? Check metrics like the number of mentions, reach, AVE, and sentiment. You can also track performance over time to see how trends evolve. In Period Comparison, you'll get similar insights, but just for one project. This is perfect for tracking progress, comparing current data to past periods, and checking if you're hitting your KPIs. Just like in other sections, you can apply filters to focus on what matters most. And yes, you can export everything to PPTX here too. Pretty cool, right?